This is Vivekachudamani and Aparokshanubhuti in a pocket version. You can just grab it and take it anywhere you go, in your tie, in your jacket, or in your coat. This is one of the most beautiful book on self-realization, on self-betterment. And wherever you read it, wherever you open the page, there is something, especially if you have a challenge during the day or something that you need to improve yourself, there will be something interesting. One of those verses I would like to read today is 263, which is saying, that beyond which there is nothing, which shines even above Maya, which again is superior to its effect, the universe, the inmost self of all, free from differentiation, the real self, the existence, knowledge, bliss absolute, infinite and immutable, that Brahman are do. Meditate on this in thy mind. So, from neuroscientific point of view, there is a strong foundation in this. This was written in the 7th century. And why neuroscience is supporting this? Because we have a very powerful mind. We have a brain that has more, probably same amount of cells than the same amount of stars in the galaxy. And this is not only my theory. This is something that has been even published in journals like Nature of journal. And for a long time, neuroscientists would say that there are about 100 billion neurons in the human brain, but no one has ever published, a peer-reviewed scientific paper supporting this count. But it has been informally interpolated from all the measurements, and there was a recent study made in 2009, published by Acevedo and colleagues, which took track about these estimates, and that's why they say that we have around 100 billion neurons, and they have lowered down the whole thing now, of course, to 89 billions. And there is an exponential number of neuronal connections as well. They say around 3 trillions of nervous or neuronal connections. And it is an equivalence of our own amazing inner nature, which is such a fantastic phenomenon of nature. And having this capacity of leading the experience to touching that fundamental field of nature itself, it is incommensurable experience. And this capacity is inherent in what is life. We all have that moment of awe in our life where we feel like, wow, there is something amazing here going on. And when we have this capacity to connect to that immense field of consciousness, then I'm telling you, it's amazing.